Hey there, fellow travelers and adventurers. Welcome back to Travel Vibe, your go-to destination for all things travel related. Today, we have a fascinating topic in store for you. We're going to explore the enchanting world of Israel and unravel the mysteries of its diverse landscapes, cultures, and, of course, its travel distances. So, grab your passports, and let's embark on an incredible journey. Now, when you think of Israel, what comes to mind? Perhaps the ancient history of Jerusalem, the vibrant markets of Tel Aviv, or the serene shores of the Dead Sea. Israel is a land where antiquity meets modernity, and every corner of this country is steeped in rich history. So, let's break it down. Israel is a relatively small country in the Middle East, but it packs an enormous punch when it comes to diverse landscapes and experiences. To make your journey easier to understand, let's divide it into four main regions. First up, we have the Mediterranean coastline. This is where you'll find the buzzing city of Tel Aviv, with its lively beaches, thriving nightlife, and delicious cuisine. The distance from the north to the south of the coastline is around 190 miles, or 305 kilometers, so you can explore it all without much hassle. Next, we have the heartland of Israel. This region is home to the fascinating city of Jerusalem, a place that's sacred to three major religions: Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. The distances here are relatively short, and you can easily explore the city and its surroundings on foot. Now, let's head south towards the Negev Desert. This part of Israel is a stark contrast to the bustling cities. The vast, arid landscapes, unique geological formations, and a variety of desert experiences await you. The distance from the north to the south of the Negev Desert is approximately 110 miles or 180 kilometers, making it a manageable drive or a fantastic road trip. Last but not least, we have the northern region of Israel. Here, you'll find the lush landscapes of the Galilee, the serene shores of the Sea of Galilee, and the mystical Golan Heights. The distances are relatively short, allowing you to explore the diverse natural beauty of this area with ease. So, there you have it, fellow travelers. Israel is a land of contrasts, where the distances between its major attractions are easily manageable. Whether you want to immerse yourself in the history of Jerusalem, soak up the sun on the Mediterranean beaches, explore the desert wilderness, or savor the greenery of the north, it's all within your reach. Israel is like a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be uncovered. No matter what kind of traveler you are, this country has something for everyone. So, go ahead, book that ticket, and experience the magic of Israel for yourself. Thanks for joining us on this adventure today on Travel Vibe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest travel explorations. And as always, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep those travel vibes alive.